You know, when I first met Carlos, all he had was a plane ticket from Puerto Rico and a tube of lipstick. Hey everyone, I'm Jason Catron. Katie.
I'm Katie Talbot.
Were you just putting on makeup?
Yes.
We are Vocal Lab Collective. Wow.
I had to catch up on the looks,
You
the
literally
fashion.
were just putting on makeup while we started this video.
I always have to touch up a lip.
Touch up the lip and perk up the hip. You know what I'm saying?
Man. Well, the hip's down there, so I don't know if they're trying to say perk up the lip and the...
I was just being polite for our audience.
Oh my gosh.
When have I ever done that?
When have you ever
I just did. There's an example.
All the time.
Thank you.
Every Friday night in East
every
Nashville
Friday night. Hey guys.
Hey, what are we talking about?
We're
hey,
talking about,
to this
yeah, that's
channel.
what we're talking about. Hit those buttons. Subscribe to this channel, TikTok, Instagram,
Facebook.
All the things.
Yep.
Yeah.
MySpace. You may find us.
Really? I don't think we ever had a MySpace.
But do people want to know our top 8?
Yeah, of course we do. Well,
Carlos
that's a great
is number
question.
One. Carlos is number 1.
There's a question. Would we have been in each other's top 8 on MySpace?
Yeah.
We
Though
totally
from
would.
week to week, you would maybe move like from like, you
Oh
know,
my
2 to
gosh.
3. I don't know. It depends.
You think I would do that?
1000%. You would do that to me. I would do it to you.
Okay, you're right.
Yeah. You'd be like, I'm going to put Sean from number 3 to 1. So Katie's number 3.
You're right. We just moved that around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I didn't have James as number 1, he'd be mad.
Yeah.
He'd be like, are we even married? Morissette.
Yeah. You said that like she's out there.
Morissette, we love you.
We love you.
We need you.
We do.
Come sit right here between us.
Oh my gosh, can you imagine?
That would be so fun.
I think I would just touch her all the time.
That's inappropriate.
Well, that sounds wrong. But
that sounds so wrong, Jason.
I mean, because
Don't
she's
say that.
no, I mean like this, because she's so cute.
Yeah, you just want to hug her.
I just want to hug
She's
her.
like the best friend you want to hug.
And I just want her energy, and I want her smile.
Yes.
So it's like that.
She's got that light. She's got that light.
A conduit of energy.
Yeah,
so
she's got the
touch.
light of the Lord, though.
She does. She totally
Yeah.
does. No, she absolutely does.
But that's who we're watching.
Are we?
Yeah. Did you not know
Morissette
that?
today?
I surprised
Which song?
you with it.
You did. Which song?
There's just so many.
How are you surprising me if you don't know the song?
Because
Who picked the song?
no, here's the thing.
What?
There was a plethora of comments for different Morissette songs, and so I just chose one, put it in. I've not even seen this or heard it.
Oh, okay. Here we go then.
Right?
Let's find out what it is,
What
Katie.
is it? Oh,
Oh, this is a live version.
we're both going.
Are we at the beginning?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm here.
Oh,
the
Color
Color
Purple. Oh, this is going to be incredible.
Her control is so.
Oh, God. This song.
I've never heard this song.
Stop.
Not joking.
You've never seen the musical, The Color Purple?
No, never in my life.
Jennifer Hudson. Look at that mouth open.
I know. Singers, you want to sing? Open your mouth.
She was not afraid. Effortless.
Completely.
chills. Woo!
Yes, I'm beautiful. And I'm here.
Man.
She just cut that note like it was nothing.
Two things.
Tell me.
Two things.
Tell
One,
me. That's one.
she's singing a musical, right?
Yeah, song from musical.
A song from musical. So many singers get very scared. When I'm like talking pop, mainstream, country, or whatever, they get very scared to sing musical, because they think that means classical.
Yes.
Here is the thing. You just saw a pop global icon who has shown us the variety of vocal agility and tenacity in her own voice make a musical song her own. Okay? So don't shy. If you love musicals, but you are a different type of genre singer, don't shy from the musicals. You can make them your own, but you can also learn from them so much, because musicals are so good at teaching you and helping you to know how to talk on pitch. They're so good at that because you're literally acting as you're singing, right? And so when you're doing both of those together, there's a lot that goes into kind of taking the pressure away from some of the singing, because there's so much acting involved in it. So I wanted to point that out. What was the second one?
I knew when I saw you after you finished that point. I'm like, she is not going to know the second
No,
point.
what was the second one? Oh, second one. I remember now. I remember now. Cheers.
Cheers.
I remember.
Good for you.
The second one is she did not move her feet. Not once.
Oh, that wasn't. I did not notice that.
But she still commanded the audience completely.
That's an interesting observation.
Thanks. So many singers, a lot of time, they overdo it. I'm going to get behind the couch because I'm going to show you what they do. I'm going to take my lipstick as the mic.
What is happening?
Carlos, can you see me if I'm standing behind the couch?
Yeah. You know, when I met Carlos...
I'm still postpartum body, okay? This is what they do. They do this. They do a lot of this because they feel there's a whole stage here.
Yeah, right.
So they feel, oh my gosh, there's this whole stage here. So I have to go like this constantly.
Right.
Versus I'm gonna say like this, and I'm gonna speak to you. I'm gonna speak to you. I'm gonna speak to you.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna let this show the emotion because of what the audience and what the song needs is this.
Yes.
Versus other songs that are higher energy, yes, they require movement.
And also the fact that she wasn't just lifeless standing there like she was not in control.
And she wasn't
she
doing
was
that
confident
church
in
stomp.
control.
There's no church stomp.
That's
happening.
right. No, that's
Those
right.
are my 2 points.
That's great. And you used a chapstick or a lipstick for a microphone.
Every time. I mean, that's what I did in high
You know,
school.
when I first met Carlos, all he had was a plane ticket from Puerto Rico and a tube of lipstick.
I did not know where that was going. I did not know where that was going.
He's so mad at me right now.
I'm like, tube.
I kept trying to say.
What?
I was thinking of saying tube of chapstick because that's the classic joke, right? Like just got off a ship with nothing but a pair of flip flops and a tube of chapstick. That's a classic joke. So I was trying to work on it.
I've never heard that joke.
You know what?
Anyways.
Yeah.
Those are my 2
Those
cents.
are great points. For me, real quickly, to wrap this video up today, for me, this is very personal, this song in general, because there was, early in my days in LA coaching, I met and started to work with these 2 young twins. They were brother and sister, Yohi and Marcy.
Yeah.
They were from Hungary. Their English was just not good. They couldn't even pronounce a W, right? It was a V. And so we spent a lot of time working on their enunciation of English words, right? Anyone in another country, that when English is not your first language, you're going to have to do that. But this song she loved. She loved to sing big vocals. She loves Jennifer Hudson. Jennifer Hudson made this song really, really popular.
Yeah.
And so we spent a lot of time on this song. And so for me, it was this beautiful thing, not only from the lyric of the song, but to the powerful vocals and the confidence that you can build learning to sing a song like this, right? And it was a really cool process that I went through with Johanna, who has amazing music out now. You should check her out. Johanna Linjal in Hungary. But we literally took this song and pulled out her unique vocal and her powerful confidence in a powerful message.
Yeah.
That's what's really cool about this song.
Yeah.
Right? And anyone has
1000%.
their ability to do that. You might have to lower the key from Jennifer Hudson's original. That's cool.
Right.
Doesn't matter.
You fit the song to your voice.
To your voice.
That's the thing.
But then you find a way to deliver the song and the story and the emotion and the confidence of such a powerful message.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
You should watch The Color Purple. It's
I need
fantastic.
to. I need
It's
to. I
really
love
great.
musicals.
Yeah.
I just always watch Newsies over and over again.
That's a great one.
It's
I
great.
always watch Les Mis over and over again.
You're so depressing.
Les Mis
But
is
it is
fantastic.
so good. It is so
Yeah,
good.
can you hear people sing? Hey, until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
and we are Vocal
Vocal Lab
Lab
Collective.
Collective.